If you want to see the flight information from 2 days ago, what command do you have to give?
AC-2.
Right. If you need information about the return flight, what command would you have to give?
Return flight.
Yes.
ACR, departure date, departure time.
Right.
AC is a transaction code.
Right. If you want to see the flight information of another rate, then what command will you have to be given for that?
AC and then date, whichever date you want to see.
Right. How can the transaction code be used to view flight information?
How can the transaction code be used to view the flight information? AC, then date.
Wrong. If you want to see the flight information 4 days ahead, what command do you have to give?
Sorry, can you please repeat?
If you want to see the flight information 4 days ahead, what command do you have to give?
AC4.
Right. If you want to see the Star Alliance flight availability from Delhi to Bangkok on March 15, what command do you have to give?
AN star, matlab asterisk sign, then
Yes.
S, then after that date.
Wrong. If you want to see the flight availability of One World Airline Alliance from Delhi to Bangkok on 15th March, what command do you give?
Then AN star O, then departure date, departure airport code, arrival airport code.
Right. If you want to see the flight availability of SkyTeam Alliance from Delhi to Bangkok on March 15, what command do you have to give?
AN star S, then departure date, departure airport code, arrival airport code.
Right. How many alliances does the airline have in the world?
3.
Right. What is the code for One World?
Star O.
Right. If you want the change the destination city of Helsinki, what command would you give?
AC / then code.
Right. What are the 3 airline alliances in the world?
One World Alliance, Star Alliance, Sky Alliance.
Wrong. What code is used for Star Alliance?
Star A.
Right. What code is used for SkyTeam?
Star S.
Right. In the current flight schedule, if you want to see the flight schedule of 6 o'clock in the evening, then what command will you give?
AC 1800.
Right. In the current flight schedule, if you want to see the flight schedule of Singapore Airlines only, then what command will you give?
AC, then Singapore airline code, and there is a slash in between.
Please repeat.
AC / Singapore airline code.
Right. If you want to change the destination city to Helsinki city, what command do you have to give?
AC / Helsinki city code.
Right. If you want to replace both origin and destination cities with Miami and Helsinki, what command do you give?
AC Helsinki Miami city code, Helsinki city code.
Right.
Please